The swing flexion angle describes the angle at which the knee joint stops flexing and starts to extend again. It is approximately 65 degrees, regardless of the walking speed. If the user walks too slow, the knee joint will not achieve the desired angle. 65 degrees is the default value in the software. It can be adjusted individually for the user. While walking on level ground, this value is checked by looking at the timing of the knee movement during swing phase. If the value is set too low for the user, the prosthetic leg comes into knee extension too fast. Toe clearance should also be reduced during swing phase, which can lead to a higher risk of stumbling. If the value is set too high for the user, the prosthetic leg comes into knee extension too late. The user has to wait for the prosthesis to come forward and walking speed is limited. To check this properly, the user has to walk faster than with normal walking speed. Users who are not able to walk faster normally do not have a problem with the flexion angle being adjusted too high. The gait is strongly asymmetric. If the value is appropriate for the user, a symmetric pendulum-like behavior is visible and adequate ground clearance is seen.